भारत माता की जय. Good morning everybody, my dear brother and sister. Today we continue of the poetry parts. Yesterday we discussed about the short introduction, poet and poem. Torudutt composed The Lotus. I want to tell you just the title, The Lotus. A biggest story about the lotus flowers. I want to tell you the biggest story of the lotus flower. The lotus, amongst the flower, is the supreme and so nice flowers. But here the reveals between lily and rose, and the group of the some brands of the poet. Brands means notorious. Two group divided in Western countries. One support for lily and other support to rose. But here the poetess of Torudutt shows support of the lotus, because lotus is symbolic, the significance of Indian culture and civilization. Indian culture and civilization is so most in this other countries inside of India. I think India is supreme country in this world, and entire countries to retain and remain all culture and civilizations of India. So today we are going to discuss about the first stanza of the lotus. Now let's for this. Love came to flower, asking for a flower. Here a biggest story, the indications of the love. Love is Roman Catholics, the god of the flowers, and just Flora is queen of vegetation and flowers. So one day, talking between love and Flora. Flora is the mythology king to go with Flora and to say which flower is so beautiful, and what answer to be give, that would of the flowers be undisputed. Undisputed means doubtless, without doubt, no problem to sing anything. Undisputed queen. Oh yes, the lily and the rose, both is symbol of the Western cultures. Long had been rivals. Rivals mean quills to fighting between lily and roses. For that high honors be get the glory of the respect. A great quarrels between lily and the rose to be getting the high honors. So what will be result in the next stanza to text here? Birds of power had sung their claims. Claims means to be getting who is the super, which is the super between lily and rose. And the rose can never tower like the lily with her Juno mine. Here the symbolic words. The two group is divided amongst any others, and the lily's part to be getting the, it's so nice and there is so nice. But what a result will become in front of you. But is the lily love here? I think according to me, amongst two groups to be decided, how can will be result come? Thus, the calculations last what? Between flower factions. Flower factions mean the competitions and the group to say what a result will become. Rank the strips in Psychos Baba. Some philosopher to say about lily and the rose. The lily is supreme, but the rose is supreme. But the end of this two stanza, the result will become in front of you. The poetess says the lotus is supreme because in lotus, like a lily's redness and the rose, also the whiteness present in these flowers. So, end of this second stanza, the result will become the lotus is so supreme because lotus is symbolic of Indian culture and civilization. Today, our topic be stop and continue will be tomorrow, the two stanzas. Thank you so much. Vande Mataram.